what this is like. Now, sorry mate. Whoa! Okay now. Yeah, I'm fine. I was just something dug in. Got pedal.
You dropped down here, didn't you? You just like, oh, you hit that. You hit this knob and slipped right off.
If I'd just had, like that, if I'd just had a few minutes to just get me sent together.
Come down there, it's pretty good, isn't it? I think you're better on that top line.
Yeah, but you don't know line, do you?
No.
Right out. Somebody cook on today. I tried to change gear and all, I think. Fucking hell, I just thought, shit, I'm off on its side. If them trees wouldn't have been there, I'd have been off down cliff. I'll tell you what though, something dug in. You can see the pedal dug in and it stopped. Yeah, but my pedal hit that. And it stopped like 0 to 60 in a second and it just went straight over. It's a bit technical, is this bit? Oh, what a crash! Fucking hell, yeah, big style. It's fat, it's quite technical, isn't it?
Where's this jump then? Oh, fucking hell. That's not a jump, that's a sheer drop.
Oh god, that's a bit late though. Well, where's track before it? That's quite technical, that track, isn't it?
Yeah, that's my favourite, that.
Yeah. It's good, but for first time, like, you were good in it.
You have to pay attention.
My pedal's stuck in.
There's a cliff on there, you know. You probably didn't notice if you watch where you're going. But a lot of this on the left is just a sheer cliff.
Is that where we crashed? Well, it was a cliff, but there were trees there, weren't there?
Yeah, Wellington trees.
Do you want to tell you when I crashed? You know, after boardwalk bit.
Yeah.
Just after it sort of levels off. And my front tyre hit a bit, so I slid off. And then my pedal hit ground and I just stopped me.
Yeah. That's like Peter's drop at Grenoble.
So where's track and you come round and then you drop off?
The track comes from up that way.
Alright.
You come down there, and obviously this supposedly chicken wing.
Oh god, that was a bit scary.
I've never done it, like, I've always looked. I think the problem with me is I've seen it before I've done it, you know what I mean? Yeah. I've always found in the past.
Just do them.
Just do them.
You like then?
Yeah, just then,
Yeah, you just got to get on with it, yeah. So as you're making decisions very quick now.